Hi, this is group S905 and we are a group of 4 members, Amulya, Hamsini, Sandeep and myself Shalini. So the task for our group is Sahana integration with Facebook. So let me elaborate on the requirements of the project a little more. So we are actually required to pull a feed from Sahana page to the Facebook page that we created. So the steps that we took and the code changes that we did with the Eden code base. Before I go into that, let me explain a little bit of the other things that we did. So to begin with, we first created a Sahana Eden page on Facebook, um, which is um, just a second. Yeah. So we created this page, Sahana Eden Humanitarian Management Platform page. The goal is to have a authorization key from this page, which can be used to communicate with the Graph API, which Facebook provides for any third-party applications to communicate to be able to pull messages or to be able to post messages on this page. So let's see if the authorization key that we got from this page works or not. So we can test this by using this test script which we have, and this is the authorization key that we got from this web page, and which is used by the Graph API to communicate with this Facebook message. And this is just a snippet test code that we are trying to test if it works to post. So let's try and run this script and see whether the message gets posted on Facebook. So let's refresh the page. So as you can see, this message was successfully posted from this test script that we created. So the task now is to do the same thing from Sahana, and to have an outbox from Sahana, which can be used to post messages or to be able to post any new resources which can be created on Sahana directly to this Facebook page, so that any users can just see anything new that has been created on Sahana on the Facebook page instead of going to the Sahana homepage. So to do that, let me first come to the views part, and instead of in the MVC structure, instead of coming to the models and the controllers, let me just give you a little overview of the views to make the things more intuitive. So the thing that did here was we created Facebook as one of the items on the under Outbox. So so we did this change in the S3 menus.py in the modules in the Eden code base. So as you can see here, this is the aforementioned code that we changed, and which actually adds Facebook as one of the items in the outbox. So the CRUD controller is automatically generated for when we do this, and generates the compose message functionality for the same. So the thing to be done now is to add Facebook as one of the contact methods. Just like Twitter, mobile, and email were already added, we added this Facebook feature as one of the contact methods. So this contact method was added right here in S3 message, which is in modules under S3 directory. So as you can see here, we add Facebook as one of the contact methods. So by adding Facebook as one of the contact methods, any recipient can be chosen, and once a message is composed, the sent message stores it in the message table, which is periodically polled by the scheduler and is used through the message channel, through the Facebook channel. It is used to post to the Facebook page. So let's see how it is done. So the just a second. So process outbox. So once a contact method is selected, which in our case is Facebook, the process outbox is used, which which selects a corresponding posting message, which is defined in S3 message, which uh, process outbox, just a second. Yeah, so the process outbox selects a corresponding message, which in our case is the post to Facebook message, which takes these two as the parameter, the arguments, the message and the address of the recipient. So the let's see the post to Facebook message that we also added in the S3 message. Yeah, so this method takes the message and the recipient as the arguments and uses the authorization key to access the Graph API and thereby post it to the Facebook. So these are the changes that we did to be able to send the message from the outbox. The controller and the model, which are thereby needed to do the same. I will get to that right now. So the model we created the model. So we created the model right here. Oh crap. Facebook, let me just search by Facebook. So we added the Facebook model here. Right here, as you can see, we added this class and we added the model right here with the necessary features, with the necessary attributes, and the controller for the Facebook outputs also we added right here in message.py under controllers. So these are some of the changes that we have done to implement the outbox feature for Sahana. And just another thing which probably I'll show also besides these would be to show the Facebook table, the tables which are generated whenever a message is created. It is used to populate these tables, which would be periodically polled by the scheduler and then thereby the channel uses to post to Facebook. So this is about the outbox feature that we have implemented. For the inbox functionality, we use the RSS feeds methodology to implement that. So we have implemented the RSS feeds, which periodically updates and pulls all the messages from this Sahana Eden page that you have created and updates the home page. So these are pretty much all the changes we have done to the code base. Thank you.